What's up, tubes? So, if you have a Silverado 2020 and up, like me, and you have a door lock switch like that, and it doesn't work, you need to order a new door lock switch. This one did not work. And I narrowed it down because the passenger side door switch worked, but this one did not. And I went into the settings to see if there was something going on with the settings. Nope. So I troubleshooted it. And now it works. So this door panel has to come off. In the comment section, I'm going to link a couple of videos that y'all can watch to take the door panel off. It's not very hard. If you don't want to do this, take it to a shop. But this part I got off of, it came out of New Jersey, I think. The one that's in there, rather. But you get the gist of it. And it was $16 shipped. If you go to the dealer to buy this, it's like $30 to $40. What's the part number? I knew you were going to ask that. So, here is your part number in case you need it. 868-13008. Works now.